Reporting. Various work-pack reports are available to aid in managing the AMO. Printing task cards. Forms and documents are not required for paper storage, as the data is held in the AMS database. Should the forms need to be distributed, it is suggested that they are printed to PDF format. If the forms are required in paper format, they may be printed. All functions in AMS are designed to be used electronically. Printing task cards. Printing individual task cards. Printing empty task cards. Printing all task cards. Printing single document from the task card page. Hover over Main menu Work-Pack and select Work-Pack. Click on the Spanner Quick link. Select the required task card from the drop-down list. Select Reports. Select task card from the list. The selected task card will be displayed for printing to PDF or paper. Printing empty task card. Open the Manage Task Card database window. Select Reports. Select Task Card Empty. This will print an empty task card page for completion of task and action taken by the AME. This is useful when the AME may have to work off-site and does not have a list of tasks. Printing all task cards from the Work-Pack page. Hover over Main menu Work-Pack and select Work-Pack. Select the required Work-Pack from the drop-down list. Select Reports. Select Task Cards. This option will print all task cards created in the Work-Pack. This is used when the Work-Pack is initially created. Work-Pack Reporting. In the Work-Pack and Task Cards menu, reporting is made up of a number of documents to provide the users and management with data relating to the management of Work-Packs. Selected Work-Pack. Report on selected Work-Pack details. Summary. Report on selected Work-Pack summary information. Notice. Work-Pack notice or cover page with basic information. Task list. Report on all tasks in selected Work-Pack with inventory and labor detail. Parts issued. Report on all parts issued to selected Work-Pack. Task card. Report on all tasks in selected Work-Pack with task card templates. Annual report. Generate a mandatory periodic inspection report for the selected Work-Pack aircraft. CRMA. Generate a certificate relating to maintenance of an aircraft for the selected Work-Pack aircraft. CRMA airframe. Generate a combined airframe certificate related to maintenance of an aircraft for the selected Work-Pack aircraft. Certificate of release. Generate a certificate of release report for the selected Work-Pack aircraft. Work-Pack. Generate a report with all items to be included in the Work-Pack. Requisitions. Generate a report with all the requisition parts and their current status on the Work-Pack. Purchase orders. Generate a report of purchase order items. Purchase orders due. Generate a report of due purchase order items. Labor totals. Generate a report of the labor summary. Audit trail. Generate a report with an audit trail on Work-Pack related transactions.